All right, my little Bundy buddies, we're working on a 2012 Lexus ES350. We're doing the cabin air filter. Cabin air filter sits in the glove box, but I'll put all the models that this will actually cover in the description below. So it's really simple. Shouldn't take more than a minute. First thing you want to do is get this cover out of the way, the black cover. There's little tabs on the bottom. You can see those, so those always face down. You have two little prongs right here for this white cover. Just squeeze those together and pulls out. Pull the old filter out. See how dirty that is? Nasty, nasty, nasty. So let me grab the new one. And you know what? I actually won't even show you the new one. The installation is the reverse of removal. Just put the new one in. Put this cover back in, and then put this black cover back in with these tabs facing down, and you're done. That's all you got to do for the cabin air filter for Lexus ES350. And like I said earlier, I'll put all the models that this covers in the description.